So most medications available on pharmacy shelves are made combining chemicals together. Biologics, however, are different.
Biologic medications are defined as medications that come from living sources. Some examples are viruses, protein, blood cells, and even humans and animals. When you think of a regular medication, think of it like an iPhone. If you have all of the right components and parts to put it together, anyone can assemble it as long as you have the instructions or the chemical structure. A biologic is much more like a loaf of bread, where the yeast is a living organism that determines how the dough rises, how large your loaf of bread is, how many bubbles are inside. We can all make a loaf of bread in the exact same way, and it's gonna come out just a little bit different. Biologics may sound like complex medications, but they're actually things you've probably heard of before. Insulin, vaccines, and even Botox are all good examples of biologic medications.
So if you're going to your local pharmacy to get your flu shot, you're actually getting a biologic. Because biologics represent such a broad category of medications, they're used to treat many different health conditions, including certain cancers, type 1 and type 2 diabetes, eye conditions such as macular degeneration, blood disorders such as anemia, and many autoimmune conditions including rheumatoid arthritis and psoriasis.
Right now, the majority of biologic medications are administered either by injection or infusion into a vein. This means most of the time you'll need to receive it in your doctor's office or receive special training on how to administer your biologic before you can give it to yourself at home.
Biologics have opened the door for many new treatments for conditions that otherwise haven't had very many effective treatment options in the past, and they can work by targeting specific disease-causing substances in the body that help treat the underlying condition instead of just treating the symptoms.